a woman.
A human. I am a creation of God. A grateful one.
I also have hair, nose, hands, ears, and eyes.
A body so nice.
A body so nice.
But
Walang gintang babae ka. Ayaw mo mapagalaw. Oy.
what? Why being discriminated?
Why being violated?
We are human too.
We are women. We don't deserve to be violent by men. We can report you to the police. We are women, and we are human too. Stop harassing women. Ano ba? Ano ba? Bakit ang ginagawa mo?
Bitawan mo ko! Bitawan mo ko! Bitawan mo ko! Bitawan mo ko!
Bisa lagi, Chris.